This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable notifications in the Chromium web browser. I will be using Ubuntu 24.04 for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Chromium web browser opened up now. To enable or disable notifications, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is go off to the upper right hand corner, up to where you see the 3-dot hamburger menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Now on the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on Privacy and Security. Then on the center pane, toward the very bottom, you want to click on Site Settings. Then you'll scroll down to the Permissions section, and in the Permissions section, right here, Notifications, click on Notifications. Toward the top, under Default Behavior, gives you two options. The top one is Sites can ask to send notifications. If you toggle this one on, sites can ask to send notifications. The bottom one, if you toggle this one on, don't allow sites to send notifications. That is how to enable or disable notifications in the Chromium web browser. Thanks for watching.